This video is sponsored by Femoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech Lenses. In this video, we will show you 4 different ways to take backup of your Android phone data. We have covered the 4 methods working separately for rooted and non-rooted phones. While taking a backup of your Android data might be helpful during crucial times. For example, if you have factory reset your phone, if you have done something experimental to your phone that causes the data to be wiped off, or in any other scenario. Okay, the first method is for the non-rooted user. We'll be taking the backup of our Android data using ADB commands. Requirement for this are a data cable and a computer. Okay, first of all, download the zip file from the link given in the description of this video. Once you have downloaded that file, extract it anywhere on your computer you will like to. Now go to the settings of your Android phone, then scroll till the last and then click System. Then click the last option, that is About Phone. There you will find the build number. Click on it 7 times. This will enable the secret menu called a developer option. Inside the developer option, enable USB debugging. After that, again go back to the developer options, then click desktop backup password. Here you have to set the password required during a backup process. I already have the backup password, now I am changing it to the new one. Leave the first field blank, that is current backup password, in case if you are using it for the first time. After all have been done, click set backup password. Now connect your Android phone with your computer using the data cable. Now a pop-up will appear on your screen something like this. Tick always allow from this computer and then click OK. Now go to the extracted ADB folder, then hold the shift key and then right click anywhere on the blank area. You will see the open command window here option, click on it. To check if your device properly attached or not, type ADB devices and hit enter. If you have not find your device listed here, download the ADB drivers for your device. You can get the drivers for your device from the link given in the description of this video. Once you get your device listed here, type ADB Backup -apk -shared -all -f backup.ab and then hit enter. Now a screen like this will appear on your phone. Enter the backup password on the first field and then click Backup My Data. You can also encrypt your backup by entering the different password in the second field. A backup will initialize. You can see the app's package name here. Wait for few minutes till the backup gets completed. Once the backup gets completed, you will see the location path, that means backup is completed. To restore the backup data anytime, just type adb restore backup.ab and hit enter. Now on your Android screen, enter the backup password in the first field and encryption password if you have set the encryption password earlier, and then click restore my data. That's it, you have successfully restored your Android data using ADB and without rooting your phone. In the second method, we're gonna use a third-party app called PhonePaw. You can download this app on your computer from the link given in the description of this video. After that, enable USB debugging on your phone and connect it with your PC. Open this app and click on free trial. You are free to use this app for 30 days. Then click Android Data Backup and Restore. Then click One Click Backup. This will make a complete backup of your Android data. Select the location for the backup and then click OK. After that, wait for few minutes for the backup to get completed. Once the backup is completed, you are good to restore it anytime by just clicking Device Data Restore. Next, it will show you the backup data file. Just click Start to restore. That's it, you are done. Third method is for the root user. Go to Google Play Store and search Titanium Backup on the search bar. Click on the first result and install it. Once installed, open it. Allow all the permission to this app, including the super user permission. Now the app asks you to enable USB debugging on your phone. Enable it if you haven't already and then click OK. Now click the Backup and Restore tab and select the app which you want to take a backup of. On the next, click Backup. That's it, you can restore it anytime by clicking the Restore button. Fourth and the last method is for the advanced user who have installed custom recovery like CWM or TWRP on their phone. Boot into the recovery mode by pressing several keys combination while the device is switched off. We can't exactly tell you what keys combination to press because it is different for different devices. Google it to know exactly what keys combination to press on your Android device. Okay, once you are successfully booted into a recovery mode on your Android device, click Backup. Now tick the field which you want to take a backup of. After that, swipe right to process. Wait for few minutes. Once done, you are good to restore it anytime. To restore the backup data, click the Restore tab. You will find the backup file there, click on it. On the next, swipe right to restore. This can take some time to complete. Once done, click Reboot System. So these are all the 4 ways to take backup of your Android data. If you have missed anything, you are always welcome to write about it in the comment section. So we hope you like this video. Please do like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos. And yes, as we said earlier, if you have anything to say, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.